Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you will be mast. है ना? Very good. How many students know about distribution? Distribution means बांटना, divide करना, equal parts में divide करना. As example, I have 10 beads. I will divide into 2 equal parts in each group. How many beads will each group get? 5 in each group. यहाँ मैंने क्या किया? Divide किया. 5 beads in each group. Anybody tell me what is the symbol of division? I tell you. Symbol for denoting division is this. Thus, with regard to the above example, we can write 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Example, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Here you can see on the screen there are 8 trees and divided into groups of 4. There are 2 equal groups of trees. So, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. This gives us the conclusion that 8 trees divided into groups of 4. Then it makes 2 groups of trees. Let's take another example. In this example, you can see on the screen there are 9 fishes. If we divide them equally, we get 3 fish in each group. This means 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Division को 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. First, dividend. Second, divisor. Third, quotient. Fourth, remainder. अभी मैं आप लोगों को without remainder quotient बताऊंगी. Okay? Please look on the screen. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Here 6 is dividend, 2 is divisor and 3 is quotient. Is it clear? Now it's practice time. Here some questions are given, so all of you read carefully and solve in your notebook. Here is the first question. I will tell you it as example. Divide the 8 apples into groups of 2. How many groups? Here are 8 apples and you have to divide it into 2 groups. You can take the help of table also. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So the answer will be 4. Next question is division. To solve this, you may take the help of tables, which you already know. Let's take first example, 12 divided by 2. Here you will read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 2 sixes are 12. So the answer will be 6. In the same way, you have to attempt all the questions. This worksheet is very easy. So I hope everybody do work with enjoyment. मस्त रहिए, खुश रहिए. Thank you बच्चों. Bye. I will meet in next video.